How's it going? Dr. J here with another inspiring message of health. And today I'm going to be talking about one of the most common things that I take care of in my practice. I'm going to be talking about that nasty sciatica, right? Sciatica is something very common that a lot of people deal with, and over the last 13 years as a chiropractor, I've been able to help a tremendous amount of people fix their sciatica type symptoms. And I've always done that through regular corrective chiropractic care, physiotherapy, rehab, stretches, strengthening exercises, and decompression. But today I'm going to give you top 2 stretches for dealing with your sciatica. These are stretches that I absolutely love, and I've been able to use them to help with my chronic lower back issues as well as my sciatica. You're absolutely going to love these, so stay tuned. So sciatica, what is it? Okay, you hear anybody with lower back issues, I mean, usually they always tell me that they have sciatica. True sciatica is numbness, tingling, or pain that radiates down the back of the thigh, and true sciatica will actually go into the foot and into your big toe. But essentially your sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in your body, and it's comprised of multiple nerves coming together to form that largest nerve in your body. So sciatic nerve, okay, is primarily composed of nerves that come out of L4, L5, and the beginning of the sacrum. These nerves come out of this area and they come together, okay? This plexus of nerves comes together to form the sciatic nerve. So what happens with sciatica is anytime you have irritation to the sciatic nerve, inflammation, or pressure on the sciatic nerve, it's gonna cause symptoms that radiate down the leg because that's where the nerve travels to. So it can lead to muscle weakness, numbness and tingling, like I said, and then intense radiating pain. And that's one of the common symptoms that people have when they're struggling with sciatica, is either the numbness or the tingling or the pain. It's like really severe pain. And you'll know when somebody has sciatica, it'll be like, they'll tell me that it's a sharp stabbing pain. Sometimes it's a deep, dull, achy pain, but usually it's sharp and stabbing. And there's a number of reasons that will cause sciatica, but one of the common issues that I see pertaining to sciatica is that there'll be some level of pressure on the nerve due to the L4, L5 area, or sometimes the sacrum and the pelvis is out of alignment, which is causing increased pressure and stress on that sciatic nerve. The other thing that could be going on is what's called piriformis syndrome, where the piriformis has gotten tight, the sciatic nerve crosses right underneath the piriformis muscle, which is right in here, okay? And that's tightened up, and that's putting pressure on the sciatic nerve and causing that to happen as well. But I'm gonna give you top 2 stretches to alleviate that nerve pain, okay? And one pointer I'll give you is consistency always trumps intensity. So basically, the more consistent you can be at doing regular stretches, the better off you're gonna be in the long run. So I always recommend stretching for at least 10 minutes a day, 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night right before you go to bed. And one of the pluses of stretching in the morning is you get loosened up to start your day, and it increases your energy. And one of the pluses of stretching at night, you get all these endorphins that kick in, help to put your body into a relaxed state. What I found in my own experience is when I'm consistent about stretching at night before I go to bed, it always helps me to sleep better. So let's get into the stretches. Okay, I'm gonna start with our first stretch, which is the hamstring stretch. This is my absolute favorite stretch to do to alleviate lower back issues and sciatica. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend forward at the waist, you're gonna slightly bend your knees, you're gonna bend forward, stick your butt out, okay, and lean forward with your sternum. And what you're gonna begin to feel is a nice stretch through the back of your legs, your hamstrings. you'll feel a nice pull. So you come down and you're gonna hold that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back up, okay? And then repeat the process, okay? Now, an add-on bonus to this stretch, what you can do is actually bend forward at the waist. Now you're getting into more of a lower back stretch. And what I like to do is straighten out my knees so I get the hamstrings and I get into my lower back. So what you do is you're gonna try to just hang forward. Always touch the floor with my fingertips or something like that, just so I can support my balance. Some people like to just give themselves a hug, bend forward, and you're gonna get a nice stretch through that lower back. And again, you just hold this one for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come all the way back up, shake it out, and then do this for 3 to 4 sets. Start with the hamstring, push your butt out, lean forward with your sternum, and then down into that full lower back stretch, locking out the knees. Perfect. Okay, my second favorite stretch to do is this stretch right here. I love it because you can actually do it in a seated position. It feels really good. It's gonna stretch through the hips, the glutes, and your piriformis, which is exceptionally good for sciatica. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into a seated position. I like to find a comfortable chair for this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross one leg over the other. So if you're, so right now my right leg is crossed over my left. So if you're having chronic lower back issues on that right side or sciatica, you want to start with that side. So you're going to cross your leg over the opposite leg, and what I like to do is gently push down on the knee, draw the foot and leg towards your torso, and then lean forward with your sternum, and then lean away. So you're going to actually bend forward and away, just like that. Okay. Push down, pull, lean forward and away. Just like that. Okay. All right, so if you're just joining me, I'm Dr. Jason Bergerhaus, owner and operator of Thrive Spine Center, also author of the book Designed to Thrive, which is a book about how to mentally, physically, and spiritually make yourself healthier so you can thrive in life as opposed to just survive. My goal in doing all these videos is to help you to function at your optimal potential, teach you ways to reduce your pain so that ultimately you can live a better life. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and new videos will be released every Thursday. So have an absolutely phenomenal rest of your day, and God bless.